So this is a level 4. The name is randomizations and Python list. Today we focus on randomization in Python and learning about Python list. Randomization is and sort of programming. Learning it's really useful because if we want to create a game, if we want program and is something different each time, then need to be introduced little bit of randomness. And after end of level 4, uh, we build a rock paper scissor game. Okay, random module. Random module. Can you imagine if you had a play Tetris and every single time every single time in is blocks full down and like predictable predictable are always come, but it was going T and then it was B and L, like there is no fun in that game. But this is a also use of Python code, use randomizations. So we so this is also randomizations like TV, when is no signal and TV is randomization automatically and continuously is randomization and without signal. And we you search in Google and read more for random module, uh, like you search in ask Python and searching random module, and you see is we use seeds, get slates seeds with the this is inserted a random number generator to generate a new random sequence. And get state, this is written on an object containing a current state of the generator to resolve state pass object and sister. We talk about this later. And we now focus on we are focus on generate random integer. Okay, and we create is random rand int ab, return a random integer between a and b both inclusive. If I choose 1 and 2, then is random minus a number is include 1 and 2. This is a also race. And we talk and we practical about is genetic random floating points number. Okay, similar to generating integer, there are functions that generate random floating point sequence. Okay, and this random module, its use of based on arithmetic module in Python. If you have any your math and you read about and you practical this, how to uh, how to create a random number like that. Module arithmetic converting a positive number. Then we use is very hard for mathematical, but in Python we use some uh, some module, so we use in future. Okay, so we talk a lot about randomization, but we write some code and produce some random number. So before is use random module, first we always mention random, import random. Okay, and we search in random number like random number is random dot rand int. please after this lesson you focus on Python more than read, you learn more. Okay, so I will talk about only basic rand int, like if 1 and 100. So and it's print random number, and we variable random underscore num, and we use random underscore num and get at an enter. And so 65, 68, 27, this is my all random number. When I get it hitting enter, and then is every single time is so random number. Okay, and we use also last chapter we create a love calculator. If this I change is love calculator for fun way calculator, and your love score is love underscore calc, and that's it. Very fun in your friend, and click enter, and your love score is 94, your love score 5, your love score is 31. We also uses love calc for fun way. And what about is if I create a random module, random mode dot py, and v value is a is equal to 756, and we link this my link this second file, like random number is random dot int random mode, random mode is wait, this is how I type it, dot random mode, and we print random number, and this is something getting wrong. Put random, and we okay, import random. Okay, this is random mode. Okay, and what a variable is a, and get hit enter, and so is a variable value, like that. You create your own random, yeah, any choose your name. And what about floating points number? If we we program some floating number, genetic random floating points number, we use only 0 and 1. Then we run this program, then only show 0.00002 0.999999, not include 0 and 1. Is it between number, random number, so in our practical, like if I delete this, if you keep and keep it, if you random is basic in system, and random dot rand int, and so in different number, wait, something getting wrong this side, and this is a something error. This if random, and okay, we use rand integer and print out, then is so rand integer and random number is what I forget about, what is forget in this. Nobody memory is harder than computer RAM. Yes, floating points, values, random, random. Okay, so here and it, and we'll so here your random number between 0 and 1, you note so here because automatically 0 1 between is random number. This is a your floating point. Here we was is random, this return is next random floating point number between 0.0 to 1.0, between 0.0 to 1.0. If I enter, then it's only answer 0.000 between 0.999999, not including 1. And you practice more and more. Okay, so and I create your exercise for head and tail, and you use lesson for random number and your backend lecture, and you please create head and tail exercise and your own version, like if I 4 5 6, then is tail, then I also then I 1 more 4 5 6, then is head. Okay, you type in any number, any random number, and here answer is your head and tails module. So create your own version, and very is use can you please uh, when you create your head and tail program, use also import random, and also in use if and else your program for hint. Okay, so okay.